Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to apply Rule 36 Sub-Rule 4 of CGST rules. Through notification, in COVID-19 circumstances, government has deferred the applying of Rule 36 Sub-Rule 4 for April month and May month by filing GSTR 3B. And the rule needs to be applied cumulatively for April month, May month and June month in GSTR 3B for June month. So first we are going to see how to calculate the ITC as per Rule 36 Sub Rule 4 for April, May and June, and then we are going to see how to fill the reversal amount or claim further ITC in GSTR 3B ITC column. So let's get started. So I have taken some example for April month, May month and June month. In April month, ITC as per books was 1 lakh rupees and ITC as per GSTR 2B is 90,000. So while filing GSTR 3B for April month, I have taken the ITC of rupees 1 lakh because we need not to apply Rule 36 Sub Rule 4, and my GSTR 2B return was not generated while I was filing GSTR 3B because due date of GSTR 3B was not extended, but there was some relaxation in late fees of GSTR 3B. But due date of GSTR 1 and IFF portal was extended and it was after the filing date of GSTR 3B. Normally, first GSTR 1 and IFF return is filed, then GSTR 2B is generated, and after GSTR 2B, we are filing GSTR 3B. So when I filed April month return, I have taken ITC as per books. I did not apply Rule 36 Sub Rule 4. Same for May month. While filing GSTR 3B for May month, I took the ITC of 70,000. While in GSTR 2B, my ITC was 20,000. So I need to apply Rule 36 Sub Rule 4 cumulatively. Now I will see for April month, I need to reverse some ITC or to take further ITC. Let's see. So ITC which was reflecting in GSTR 2B is 90,000. And as per Rule 36 Sub Rule 4, I can take only 5% extra of the ITC reflecting in GSTR 2B. So 90,000 plus 5% equals to 94,500. And I have taken ITC of rupees 1 lakh. So the difference amount of 5,500 is extra. Extra I have claimed in GSTR 3B. So I need to reverse because I'm not allowed to take 5,500 ITC. So for April month, I need to reverse 5,500. Now we will check for May month. For May, I have taken 70,000 ITC, while the ITC reflecting in GSTR 2B is 20,000. So 20,000 plus extra 5% is 21,000. I should have taken 21,000 ITC instead of 70,000. So what is my reversal amount? 49,000 for May month. That means total reversal in June month GSTR 3B will be 54,500. 5,500 relating to April month and 49,000 for May month. And for June month, there is no reversal because I will apply Rule 36 Sub Rule 4. And according to that rule, I will take the ITC. So for June month, as per books, my ITC is 50,000 and as per GSTR 2B, it is 10,000. So as per Rule 36 Sub Rule 4, I can only claim 10,500. That is 10,000 plus 5%, which comes out to be rupees 10,500. Only 10,500 I can take the ITC relating to June 2021. So overall, while filing June 2021 GSTR 3B, I will take ITC of rupees 10,500 and reverse 54,500. Now we should see how to put these figure in GSTR 3B. So when you log into GST site and open GSTR 3B, there is one column eligible ITC where we put the figures of ITC claimed, reversal or ineligible. So the first column says about the ITC available. In that, the last point, which is all other ITC, I will put rupees 10,500, which I need to claim ITC for June month, in fifth point, all other ITC, because above 4 points relates to some specific ITC, import of goods, ITC available in case of import of goods, ITC available in case of import of service, ITC available in case of reverse charge, ITC available in case of input service distributor. And apart from these, the other ITC goes in fifth point. So 10,500 I will put in fifth point. And the reversal amount 54,500, I will put that amount in B part, ITC reversed, second point others, because first point is the specific, it relates to rule 42 and 43 reversal. So hope this video clears about how to apply rule 36 sub rule 4 for June month. It is very important guys, because we need to apply cumulatively for 3 months. Thank you.